Mastering English phrases, hole in one. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, hole in one. Whether you're a golf fan or not, this phrase is a great addition to your English vocabulary. Let's dive in and find out what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. The term, hole in one, originates from the sport of golf. In golf, a hole in one occurs when a golfer hits the ball from the tee and it goes directly into the cup on the green with just one stroke. This is a rare and impressive feat, as it usually takes multiple strokes to get the ball into the hole. The term symbolizes precision, skill, and sometimes a bit of luck. In everyday English, hole in one is often used metaphorically. When someone says they made a hole in one, they mean they achieved a great success on their first attempt, or accomplished something challenging with ease. It implies doing something perfectly or achieving an immediate, ideal result without any extra effort or attempts. For example, if someone passes a difficult exam on their first try, they might say, "I got a hole in one on that test." Or, if you cook a new recipe and it turns out perfectly, you could say, "I made a hole in one with that dish." Here are some tips for using hole in one in your conversations. 1. Context is key. Make sure the situation is about achieving something impressive or ideal in a single try. 2. Keep it positive. This phrase is best used in positive contexts, celebrating success or skill. 3. Variations. You might hear variations like, "I scored a hole in one," or "It was a hole in one moment." And that's a wrap on the phrase, hole in one. Remember, language learning is like a game of golf. It takes practice, patience, and sometimes a bit of luck. But every now and then, you might just hit a hole in one with your English skills. Keep practicing, and I hope this video has been helpful. Catch you in the next one.